Welcome to the topic on child roots and nested routings. In this session, we'll delve into the concept of child roots and nested routing in Angular. Child roots allow us to create more complex and organized navigation structures by defining roots within roots. This hierarchical approach enhances code modularity and maintainability. 1. Defining child routes. In Angular, child roots are roots that are declared inside the configuration of a parent root. By nesting roots, we can organize related components and views under a common parent root. In this example, the iProducts route serves as the parent route, and we have 3 child roots defined inside it. Product list components, product details component, and producted component. When navigating to all products, the iProduct list component will be displayed by default. 2. Nested router outlets to display the components corresponding to the child roots. We use nested router outlets. Nested router outlets are placeholders within the parent component's template that render the child components based on the current child root. In the above example, the iPreU.codex.component TTMLTAs a nested router outlet outloud, where the child components, product list component, product details component, and producted component will be rendered based on the child root activated. 3. Redirecting to default child route. When using child routes, we may want to redirect the user to a default child route when they navigate to the parent root. We can achieve this by defining an empty path in the children array and using the redirector property to specify the default child route. In this example, when navigating to i2 products, the user will be redirected to product, where the product list component will be displayed. Summary: child roots and nested routing in Angular allow us to create complex navigation structures while maintaining code modularity and organization. By defining child roots within a parent root and using nested router outlets, we can efficiently manage and display components based on the current child root. Enhances user experience by providing a seamless transition to relevant content. In the next chapter, we'll explore more advanced Angular topics to further enhance your development skills.